Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, where we help you make the best purchasing decisions without losing your sanity or your wallet. Today, we're diving into the world of drones and comparing two high flyers, the Bwine F7 GPS upgraded drone, or as I like to call it, the Bwine Beast, and the TENSSENX GPS drone, aka the TENSSENX Titan. Buckle up because this is going to be one turbulent ride. First up, let's talk money, honey. The Bwine Beast is cruising in at $258. Yep, it's a bit of a splurge, but hey, quality comes at a price. On the flip side, we have the TENSSENX Titan, which is a more wallet-friendly $169. So if you're on a budget, the TENSSENX Titan is already looking like your new best friend. But hold up, don't decide just yet. Now, let's get to the juicy part. Cameras. The Bwine Beast boasts a 4K UHD camera with a 90 degrees adjustable angle. It's like having a mini IMAX in the sky, and it even does 2.7K real-time image transmission. Fancy, right? Meanwhile, the TENSSENX Titan also flaunts a 4K camera with a 120 degrees wide-angle lens. It's like the GoPro of drones. So whether you're capturing your epic skateboard tricks or just spying on your neighbor's cat, both drones have you covered. Reviewers say the Bwine Beast produces high-quality videos and pictures, while the TENSSENX Titan is praised for its high-quality camera images and ease of connectivity to a mobile app. Let's take these babies for a spin. The Bwine Beast offers up to 60 minutes of flight time with 2 batteries. That's enough time to film your entire workout routine, if you're into that sort of thing. The TENSSENX Titan gives you 52 minutes, which is still more than enough time to film your dog chasing its tail. Both drones come with GPS auto-return, so they won't ghost you mid-flight. But here's the kicker. The Bwine Beast has a one-key return function and will come back when the battery is low or if it loses connection. It's like a boomerang that actually works. Reviewers appreciate the Bwine Beast's durability and performance, while the TENSSENX Titan is commended for its extended battery life and enjoyable flight experience. Both drones are smarter than your average toaster. The Bwine Beast has GPS and optical flow mode, waypoint flying, and can orbit around a point. It even follows you like a loyal puppy. The TENSSENX Titan matches up with similar features, like tracing and following you, flying along a preset path, and circling a point. They both take photos and videos when you pose in front of the camera. So whether you're doing the floss dance or just striking a pose, these drones have your back. Reviewers highlight the Bwine Beast's intuitive setup and intelligent features, while the TENSSENX Titan is noted for its user-friendly flight features and various intelligent functions. Design-wise, the Bwine Beast is like a hamburger, compact and foldable, making it super easy to carry around. And it's FAA compliant, weighing just 248 grams plus. The TENSSENX Titan also has a foldable design and comes with a carrying case. Plus, it's under 250 grams, so no FAA registration needed here either. Both drones are basically the Marie Kondo of the drone world, efficient, tidy, and ready to spark joy. Reviewers mention the Bwine Beast's portability and ease of use, while the TENSSENX Titan is praised for its compact design and the inclusion of a portable bag. Overall, reviewers find the Bwine Beast to be a versatile and reliable drone with high-quality visuals and intelligent features, though some note issues with battery life and operating range. The TENSSENX Titan stands out for its affordability, ease of use, and enjoyable flight experience, despite minor issues with the controller and connectivity. So there you have it, folks. The Bwine Beast and the TENSSENX Titan are both fantastic drones with their own unique strengths. If you're looking for a bit more flight time and some extra fancy features, the Bwine Beast might be your go-to. But if you're balling on a budget and still want top-notch performance, the TENSSENX Titan is a solid choice. Let us know in the comments which drone you'd take for a spin. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, happy flying! And may your batteries always be fully charged. Product links are in the description.